You had all of the global markets which clearly cheered those moves. A fantastic rally, in fact, on Dalal Street as well. You had the benchmark indices which jumped over 3.5%. The Sensex posted its highest close since November 2010. And the Nifty closed at over 3-month highs to break some psychological levels on the upside, capping 6,100 with quite a bit of conviction. Let's take it across to Aisha Faridi for a detailed market wrap. Aisha.
Well, a fantastic day for equities, or shall I say bentastic day for equity markets. The benefit clearly playing out for the markets today. And we were not alone. It was really across the globe cheer coming in. So a gap up start, and we only build on to those levels, closing in well above the 6,100 mark, a 3.5-month high coming in for the equity markets. We haven't seen these levels in the Nifty ever since May 30th. The Bank Nifty, and that was really the star performer in trade, almost a 7% notch up coming in for the Bank Nifty futures alone. So typically then the banking gainers were the ones which were at the top of the pack when it came to the Nifty 50 names. You had PNB, BOB, SBI, ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Axis Bank, all of these stocks holding out very well, as was the case with a couple of high beta names. JP Associates as well as DLF looked good. Grasim, Tata Steel, IDFC and Asian Paints as well were your other gainers in trade. The broader markets too weren't to be left far behind. So good going there as well. Almost a 3% gain coming in for the mid-cap index. The small caps as well held in tow. You had Yes Bank, which saw almost a 25% notch up towards the high point of the day. In fact, the entire banking pack looked good. So Canara Bank, Allahabad Bank, Karnataka Bank, you had the Nani Enterprises, Indiabulls Real Estate, SKS Microfinance, LIC Housing Finance, Union Bank. The list of gainers was pretty endless. But let's see whether or not the market has enough steam to take us forward from here or not. We'll catch you again with all the market action tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. and it sure promises to be another exciting session with the RBI credit policy tomorrow.